Hi guys, I am Megha and welcome back to Perky Makes. So guys, this is the first video of 2019. Oh my god. I'm really sorry for keeping you waiting for this new video of 2019, but I will tell you everything where I was missing, what did I do and why I took this mini break. So if you're watching me for the first time, I am Megha and I make videos in fashion, beauty and lifestyle twice a week on this channel. So do consider subscribing for interesting videos, and here we start our video. So guys, in January 2019, I took a decision of taking a mini break to pamper myself, to get all that energy back and to get pumped up for 2019 and give you some amazing videos. So what I did was on 1st January 2019, I got my artificial nails done. These are acrylic nails, and I got this mint gel nail polish. I got it done from Monsoon Spine Salon in Delhi, not sponsored. I love that place. So I got it done from there, and this is the second time I'm getting these acrylic nails done, and for the first time I was really scared, but now I'm loving these. So then me and my hubby traveled, took a mini vacation and traveled to Ranthambore with some of our friends. It was so amazing. I kept you posted on Instagram stories though, so if you're not following me there, do follow. You'll catch all my updates there. So we went for this jungle safari and it was really amazing. I went for a jungle safari for the first time, and no, I think first time I went to Thikadi, but this was really amazing. Although we could not spot a tiger there, we were really waiting to spot a tiger, but it was really so much fun, and we did bonfire in the night and we chatted a lot, all as group. And basically, I am not a lonely traveler. I love to travel with family, with friends, because I think it makes the experience to the next level. So hats off to all those people who enjoy solo company, but I am little homesick, so I love to travel with my family and friends, and this time it was really amazing. It was really needed. I needed a break because it was long that I went for a vacation last time with Mr. Hubby. So this time we consciously took this decision to take a mini vacation right in January to pump ourselves up. So this was the reason why for 10 full days I didn't upload any video, because I just wanted to take a break and get all my creative juices back, and then wanted to be back with some really content amazing videos. So I am totally charged up now. I'm really sorry for keep you waiting. And for 2019, I made some resolutions. The first one being that I will read more books, because I love reading books, but sometimes I don't get time. So I just ordered few books from Amazon. Last time I read a book was The Power of Subconscious Mind and The Secret. I loved both of them, but I love to read books on philosophy, this law of attraction, subconscious mind. I am really interested in the source of creation, the universe, how it acts. So if you read few books, you get confused on how it really works. So if you have read The Secret, for those who didn't read it, it says that the law of attraction is that what you think, you get back that from universe. So if you think like sadness and all that, you are surrounded by that, and if you think really positive and happy, so you get more happiness. So the book is all about that, but it is a little confusing because not all your manifestations come true in one night. So you have to keep finding more theories, more examples. I love to explore more to actually know what it is. So if you have suggestions, do let me know. I got some lovely suggestions. I asked you guys on Instagram and I got a lot of suggestions. I'll put just pictures here. So thank you all for amazing ideas. I think I will order the book The Change of Habit. It was recommended by a lot of people, and if you have more suggestions, do let me know. So the life update is that I am planning a lot of interesting videos for you guys, and I want to do something different in in 2019. I want to, go up to next level, try something new, try something unique. So I am just in a process of all that, and I just hope you all will like it. So I am really working hard on it, and currently I'm watching a lot of Netflix shows, and my recommendations would be, there is a Netflix original movie called I Feel Pretty. It's a really nice movie. You should really watch it. It's an amazing movie on self-love, on how you should love yourself, and if you're confident, irrespective of how you look, how you appear, you should be confident inside, and the world would see you as you see yourself. So I think it's an amazing movie. It's a must watch. Next, I watched a series called Pretty Little Liars. I'm not sure if I'm liking it, but it's okayish. And then there is an amazing rom-com called Kissing Booth. I think most of you must have already watched it, but if you haven't, you should watch it. This is a really nice rom-com, and I love rom-com movies. I'm a fan of that. Yeah, I'm a hopeless romantic person, so I love rom-coms. So these two movies, I Feel Pretty and Kissing Booth, are must have from my side. And then in the series, I'm exploring a lot of series. A lot of series were like highly exaggerated. Like a lot of people said Orange is Black is good, but I watched it and I didn't like it. I watched few seasons of Gossip Girl. The first few seasons were really good, and then next ones were like okay. So first few seasons are interesting. You can see that. So that's the update from Netflix. I thought I should discuss it with you guys, what I'm watching, because these days I watch a lot of Netflix. I'm addicted to it. I don't watch TV at all. I have just left watching TV. Also, my another resolution in 2019 is that I will learn music, whether it's Western classical or Indian classical. I love both of them, so it's high time I should enroll myself in some music class, because I wanted to do it since long, and I think I am now in a relaxed position in my life. I can join music class, I can enjoy it. So I definitely intend to join a music class this year. That's my resolution for sure. So guys, that's all the update. Where was I missing? Why was I missing? And what are my New Year resolutions? What is a life update? So see you guys next in some interesting videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post there a lot of my updates, so you can catch all my updates there. My Instagram handle is Perky Makes. I have another Hindi channel called Perky Makes Hindi. So if you're interested in Hindi videos, you can check that out. And do subscribe to Perky Makes if you haven't yet, because let's grow our family and let's create some interesting videos, and let's chit chat more. So guys, on this note, I end this first video of 2019. Much more interesting videos coming up soon. There may be some change of days, Monday and Friday uploads, because I am planning like Hindi and English videos on different days. So I will keep you updated on that on Instagram or here also, so just be there. So meet you next on another interesting video. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.